So this is our merchant portal or the backend portal. Now, in order to process that request that we have recently placed, we need to go to request section and open the request that we have just submitted, 1384. Here you can see all the details that you need to know. You can see everything here and you can see why they're returning. You can even click on customer notes and see the image that the customer has uploaded or the notes that they have put. If there are any other products that they have submitted, it will come below this. Now let's try accepting this request. It is accepted, and now we need to create a reverse pickup. Now let's see how you can create a reverse pickup or a return shipping label using ReturnX. Before you proceed, you need to connect your logistic provider with ReturnX. To do that, you need to go to settings and then shipping and integration, then click on setup button, and you have all these options according to country wise which you can connect with. Please note that we have a lot of integration coming soon, and you can even request for your desired integration in the chat support. So it's a one-time process. Once you are connected, you can click on your request and create a label. So click on create shipment and click on create label. All the connected logistic service will be shown here, and once you click it, it will generate the label or the pickup. Please note that you have additional 3 options which you can use as well. You can ask your customer to ship by themselves, and you can send them a return form which they can attach with their order. You can even ask your customer to keep the item with themselves, and then you will be sending them the new product or the refund. You can upload a label from here as well, which you can get from your third-party provider. Once you have created a pickup or the return shipping label, it will be emailed to the customer. Now we will wait for the package to arrive in our warehouse, and your team can mark it as received. You need to click on mark it as received, and you have option to take notes as well. And then you can click on mark as received. Once you do that, you can now start the inspection process. So you have another note section where you can add more detail about the received product and then complete the inspection. Now we are at the last step where we can create the exchange order. So I'll click on start resolution, and depending upon the product received, I can decide whether to add it to inventory or not. Let me do that. And as you can see, we need to collect 20 from the customer. So as you can see, my request has been completed and is closed now. I'll show you the new order that is placed. So this was my older order, and as you can see, it is marked as returned automatically. I'll show you the newly created order. So this is the newly created order, and it is named after your original order 1384 with RX as prefix. Since we need to collect the payment from the customer, that is why it is a partially paid order. If there is no amount need to be collected from the customer, then it will be a paid order. And if it's a downsell, then the customer will get the refund. The link to pay the remaining amount has been already sent to the customer, and it will be your checkout link, and they can pay it, and it will automatically be updated here. So that is the entire process from customer side to the merchant side on how you can process your exchanges. A very similar process is with returns as well, where instead of creating the new exchange order, a refund will be initiated to them or a gift card will be sent to them as well. If you have any more question, feel free to reach out to us on our support chat or on our email, which is support@returnx.io. We are really excited to work with you and wish you streamlined returns.